Last week's poll shows that things are not equal in the Honor 300 series. We didn't expect them to be, but one phone beats the other two by a very wide margin. It is the Ultra model, of course, and you only need to look at the Honor 300 Pro poll results to tell. Here we added 2 extra options to let users show a preference for the Honor 300 Ultra and the vanilla Honor 300 over the Pro model. Even if the Pro shows good performance in reviews, we have a feeling that most people will still lean towards the Ultra. How did that happen? As some comments point out, there are only a couple of upgrades that raise the Ultra above the Pro: a better telephoto camera, 50MP 3.8x versus 50MP 3x, and a better fingerprint reader, ultrasonic versus optical. But it seems that was enough. This is in part because the Honor 300 Pro and Ultra are so similar that they share the same downsides too. For example, many don't like curved displays, and that's that. And some of those that do like curved displays were unhappy about the pill-shaped punch hole. With that in mind, most people prefer the more capable phone. The Honor 300 is an also-ran in this race. Almost half of voters believe they can get a better mid-range for the same amount of money. The vanilla model runs on a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 instead of the flagship 8 Gen 3 that the Pro and Ultra enjoy. It also has no telephoto camera at all. And while some appreciated the flat display, it wasn't enough to make up for all the downgrades. Since publishing the poll, we've learned that Honor is planning to launch a new GT phone on December 16th, Monday. It will likely feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The Honor 90 GT from last year had the 8 Gen 2. Its camera hardware will likely be below what the 300 Pro and Ultra are equipped with, but this could completely bury the Honor 300. The 90 GT launched at 2,600 Chinese yuan, close to what the vanilla 300 costs now.